I must be in the wrong house because I walked in and I found this. For those of you who know me, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So over here, let me cross over, hang on. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have here a setting prepared to make some chia pudding, and I have 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. I have a half a cup of organic coconut unsweetened milk, and then I'm going to put in a tablespoon of maple syrup, and I'm also going to put in some strawberries, those are not strawberries, some raspberries and blueberries, and a banana. I have to go get the banana, so just give me a second please. So here is the banana, and over here I have some raspberry preserves. So let's begin making this chia pudding. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour in the coconut milk into the mason jar. Next, we pour in the chia seeds. Give this all a stir. Leave a comment down below if you have ever made chia pudding. And now we start adding in our fruits. You can obviously add any fruit that you like. These were just the fruits that I had at home, so this is what I added. In goes the tablespoon of maple syrup. Next, we put in the nanners. We now mix everything together. Whoops, wrong side of the lid. And there you have it, chia pudding. Now we put this in, kind of shake it up a little bit. Now I put this in the refrigerator overnight, and then tomorrow morning I top it with the raspberry preserves. Alrighty guys, so thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one, hopefully soon. Bye guys!